All right, so when you log in, maybe it's your first time or not, you're going to see these three banners on your account. This is for WordPress. I know we all know what WordPress is. If you're interested in this, let me know. This is for Yext. So you do get Yext at a discounted rate through ESA. However, the only condition that they have is you need to stay on Yext for at least 3 months. And you do get discounted rate. You can go ahead and check out Yext on Google. Okay, so I wanted to explain this. Your wallet balance is low. Please add credits by going to company billing page. So this is not your ESA subscription, okay? This is your messaging balance, like your messaging credits. So if you click on the company billing page, it's going to take you there, but the other way to get to that page is when you click on settings and you're going to go to company billing. Okay, so this is what it shows. And I wanted to explain this to you that it is going to auto charge $25 every time the balance goes lower than $10, okay? Now, right now there's no current balance. That's why we were seeing this. So anytime the system may charge, and that's going to be extra $25. But this is where you can see your balance. Okay, I do wanted to explain the phone and email charges. So for that, if you go to start here in your account and phone and email credits, and this is where you're going to get phone and email credits. It is being provided to you not only at a discounted rate, but just as a one-stop solution, okay, through ESA. Although these are from Twilio and Mailgun. And this is what $10 will give you. If you need to go back to it and see, what it is, please come back to this page by going to start here and utilizing one of these. This is for your convenience, and let me know if you have any questions. All right.